Hey, how are ya? That was a waste. Gotta deal with the fire now. Let's go to the exit. Just lost all dodge. No! Oh, Zeke's never gonna forgive me for this. Oh my goodness, are we about to do this? Yes! Oh, I was not paying attention to what was happening on the right side of the screen right at the end. And here comes another hit. Oh no! Oh, it was so terrible. Oh my gosh. Yes, I am accepting this offer. I have 2 Vulcans. I have 2 Vulcans. Hull laser, take them down, and we've done it. Whoa, that was stressful. Heal yourself. Incoming. But we did it! Oh, the Vulcan was so helpful there. The Vulcan was key. Alright, so my computer turned off and did a automatic update without telling me. And this is where I am. I have nothing but my apologies to give you, but like, we have to continue. Alright, shields are down. Yes, he didn't miss too much. It was a lot of fights in the nebula, and we're now in the Slug Home Nebula. No. I think I hear the sound of fire on my ship. Two stores. Well, let's go to the first one. Don't need that. Don't need that. Let's heal up to here. I do love a good cloak. Alright. Let's work our way to the other store. Maybe make some money on the way. Improved oxygen to stop the classic move by the slug. Firebomb. Ion blast. Alright. Alright, weapons are down. Very nice. I'm gonna save my missiles, I don't need any more. Ion Blast is just firing to level up Treadstone. He's already leveled up. Don't know why he's firing anymore. Alright, working our way to the store. Still looking for some Zoltan. Oh. Okay, they're trying to burn me out. Don't know how that's gonna work. Let's just do this. So we just took out their only oxygen. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to kill the crew. Yep, there you go. Yeah, we'll go to the store. Ah, I could add a door system. Gonna add a door system. Since we have no sight, you can operate the door system. That's pretty exciting. Still can't vent anything. That didn't change that. We're down to 4 fuel. Definitely should have bought some. Heavy laser that. Firebomb that. Ion blast. Ooh. There we go. Alright, so their oxygen is going down. Now I'm just trying to kill the crew to get a larger reward. Nice. That's funny. So they're slowly running out of oxygen. And fire is all over the ship, actually. They're presumably hiding up here. Ooh, that's a big miss. Yep. No surrender, and then they're all dead. Nice. Nice. Not much going on over there, huh? Attempt to follow. We got a new pilot who is so much better than It'sYaBOISnor. It's unbelievable how much better. It'sYaBOISnor, you're just gonna lock down the doors now. I mean, you're still technically captain, I guess. But, who would replace you? I think, Hungry Beast would be, exceptional at replacing you. Moving back. No thanks. Don't trust a slug. Never trust a slug. Attack! Let's take out a big missile launcher. Let's prevent that from charging. We're gonna go firebomb this. Heavy Pierce. Ooh! Missile incoming. Missile missed. Oh, that fire went out of control. Let's save that missile. No more life signs. I'm really hoping for some fuel here. We're down to 1 fuel. We only have 1 missile, so I'm going to save that. Ion. Oof. That's bad. There we go. Can we maybe hit them? There we go. Heavy Pierce, you can hit this this time. Oh, timing on that could have been better. There we go, and a breach. It's pretty helpful that Treadstone's max level weapons guy right now. That's gotta grab some attention when your oxygen's turned off. Coming in. Up and then down. We got some fuel. Get closer. See what's wrong. Oh, that didn't get me anywhere. Basically, we helped with the rock people's, like the rock The slugs and the rocks don't get along, basically. And we settled their dispute. Dang it. That's the rock homeworlds. I don't know if we can find the research facility while we're in the rock homeworlds. I forget. But that's going to conclude part 2 of our playthrough with the TrueCross, captained by It'sYaBOISnor, but Hungry Beast is the one actually behind the wheel. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of this ship and this playthrough? Sorry about my computer turning on and off for an update mid-recording, but as an update, we have the damaged stasis pod. We have not seen the research facility to open it and revive who may be inside. It's barely operational. But we are in the rock homeworlds, which is step 3. So I don't remember if I can run into them here and like in the rock homeworlds, run into the research facility and then it'll trigger, or maybe I'll run into them and when I leave the rock homeworlds. But it's making me think chances are slim. It's unfortunate, I really want to do it on stream, but let me know in the comments below, what do you think? What do you know about that? And as always, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to see more FTL. This has been Noxis, Flak, and I will see you tomorrow in Sector 6.